In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monetize a Beehiiv newsletter. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. If you're watching this, you probably already know what Beehiiv is, a platform for building and managing newsletters easily. But just launching one is only the first step. To turn your passion into profit, you need to think strategically. First, let's talk about understanding your audience. Knowing who your readers are is crucial. This information helps you tailor your content and advertising to fit their interests. You can gather insights through surveys or simply by engaging with them in the comments or through social media. Determine what problems or interests they have and how your newsletter can address those. This knowledge will guide your monetization efforts. Next up, consider your content offerings. Providing exceptional, valuable content is key to retaining your audience and attracting new subscribers. You might think about creating exclusive content for paying subscribers. This could be in-depth articles, bonus tips, or even behind-the-scenes insights that they simply can't find anywhere else. By creating a tiered membership model, you can offer free content to whet their appetite while saving the juiciest bits for your paying subscribers. Now let's discuss advertising. One of the most common ways to monetize any newsletter is by incorporating ads. With your Beehiiv newsletter, you can easily integrate sponsored content from businesses interested in your audience. Approach companies whose products resonate with your newsletter's themes. The key here is to maintain authenticity and only work with sponsors that align with your values. Readers can easily pick up on insincerity, so be sure that any partnerships feel natural and beneficial for your audience. Additionally, affiliate marketing is another powerful avenue for monetization. You can promote products or services that you genuinely believe in, and you'll earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. This recommendation should flow seamlessly within your content. For example, if you run a gardening newsletter, you could affiliate with a company that sells garden tools or seeds. Just like with advertising, transparency is important. Make it clear to your audience that you may earn a commission if they purchase through your link. As you grow, consider launching your own products or services. This could be anything from ebooks, workshops, courses, or even merchandise aligned with your brand. Creating your own products allows you to leverage your expertise while also providing additional value to your readers. If you run a travel newsletter, for instance, crafting a travel guide or offering personalized travel consultations could be an excellent way to monetize your expertise while also supplementing your newsletter content. Don't forget about email segmentation. Beehiiv offers segmentation features that let you segment your subscribers based on their interests and behaviors. Use this data to send personalized content or offers. By doing this, not only are you increasing your engagement, but you also stand a better chance of your subscribers converting into paying customers. Let's take a moment to discuss the importance of analytics. Beehiiv, like many platforms, provides metrics that help you understand your audience better. Keep an eye on open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. This data is invaluable for optimizing your monetization strategies. It will tell you what type of content resonates most with your audience and where they tend to engage more, allowing you to refine your offerings further. Before we wrap up, remember to engage continuously with your audience. Foster a community by encouraging feedback and interaction. Not only does this help in building a loyal subscriber base, but it also opens up channels for understanding what they want from your newsletter. Sharing reader testimonials can also build credibility and entice more subscribers. To sum it up, monetizing your Beehiiv newsletter involves understanding your audience, offering valuable content, integrating advertising and affiliate promotions, developing your own products, utilizing segmentation, analyzing your metrics, and fostering engagement. It's a multifaceted approach, but completely feasible with dedication and smart strategies. So there you have it. I hope this gives you a comprehensive overview of how to monetize your Beehiiv newsletter. If you found this information useful, please consider subscribing and don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see your newsletter